Progressive tense. In fancy, we call progressive tense igudo riye kabia, igudo riye kabia, or nkodo kabia, nkodo kabia. Listen to some examples of progressive tenses igudo riye kabia in fancy. Reda, sleeping. Repra, sweeping. Roko, going. Runum, drinking. Riba, coming. Rishe, wearing. Runia, cooking. Roto, buying. Roton, selling. Ridi, eating. Receive, pounding. Rutu, flying or uprooting. Rusu, crying. Removing. Rupe, coming out. Runum, sucking. Risi, happening. You might wonder, why do we have ri, re, ru, and ro? There are many ways of saying a progressive tense. The re, the ru, the ro all means ing in English. If you want to learn why it is so, you may want to join my monthly Fanti learning class, or you may also want to join my WhatsApp platform by paying just 58 Ghana cedis 80 pesos for a month, where you receive words, idioms, and proverbs daily for a month. Use the number on my bio or my profile, and let's get connected for this. See you on another interesting lesson with me, Ocheshenyi Apiamensa. Makrahum. Bye-bye.